Hi everybody, it's me again, and now I'm going to present you exercise 13 from the Python quiz on Canvas. So let's begin. This is the exercise. Let's read it. Count lucky numbers. The Python function below receives a list with 6 numbers extracted from this week's lottery and check how many lucky numbers are present in the week's lottery extraction. DeskCheck the program above using the sequence of calls below. After that, choose the option that lists the correct sequence of results that one obtains after making these calls. Let's see the first call. We have this array. Again, I have prepared an Excel sheet where I have written my variables if statement so I can perform the desk check. I start from line 0 where I pass my array which has the numbers 3, 20, 22, 15, 17, 19. Let's go after that to the second line. In the second line our count is 0. And after that we go to this if. We checks if the length of the lottery numbers array is different than 6, then we do that. But in our case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So the output of this if is going to be false. After that, because of that, we proceed to our for loop. And in the for loop, what happens? We have the variable number in which takes the each value from the lottery numbers. So in the first iteration, our number is going to be 3. So let's see. Firstly, we check if number is bigger than 60. In our case, this is not the case. So we move to the second if and we check if number is in lucky numbers, then we increment our count by 1. And let's see, 3, we can find it in the lucky numbers. So as you can see, this if statement returns true. And our count is going to be incremented by 1. Let's move to the second iteration of the loop, in which our number is now 20. And let's check again if number is bigger than 60. This is not correct, so this if statement returns false. So we again move to the second one. And now we check if number is in lucky numbers, are we going to find 20? And we have 15, 21. So 20 is not in the lucky numbers. This means this if is going to be false. So because of that, our count doesn't increment and it stays 1. In the next iteration, we have 22, which is again smaller than 60, and because of that, we skip this if and we move to the second one. And let's see, 22 is not part of the lucky numbers. So again, we don't increment our count and it stays to 1. The next number is going to be 15. 15 is again smaller than 60, so we skip this if. We go to the second if condition and let's see if we're going to find it. And it's over here. Because of that, we increment our count to 2 and we proceed with the for loop. After that is number 17. 17, are we going to find it here? No. Because of that, we return false of that if statement, and our count stays the same, again 2. And the last number over here is 19. 19 is again not in the lucky numbers, but it's smaller than 60, so we skip this if, and over here this one is false again, so our count is going to stay 2. And we have no more iterations because our array is finished. And we proceed to our print statement and our return. And the return is the last value which count was, which is 2. And let's check the answers. We have 2 over here and we have over here. So we need to try the second one. Let's see, in the second one, we have the arrays 5, 10, 12, 25, 27, 39, 69, and 70. So let's see. Again, our count is 0 because we start over again, and we check if the length of lottery numbers is different than 6. Let's count them. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this if statement returns true, as it can be seen here. So we enter that if, and what happens is that it's going to be printed invalid lottery result, and our return value is -1. So this is the correct answer for this exercise. This was the solution for the count lucky numbers. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to ask TA during practical, or leave a comment, or maybe ask the teacher. Thank you very much for your attention.